In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin a presentation in Google Meet using Google Workspace for Business. This skill is quite handy, especially when you want to balance your attention between what's being presented and the reactions or input from other participants. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to access Google Meet. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in google.meet.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be taken straight to the Google Meet homepage. If you're not already logged into your Google Workspace for Business account, go ahead and sign in to ensure everything goes smoothly from here on out. Once you're on Google Meet, the next step is to join a meeting. Whether it's one you've been invited to or one you've created, simply click on the meeting link or enter the meeting code to join. Google Meet will give you a brief moment to check your audio and video settings before joining, so make sure everything's good to go and then head into the meeting. Now, with the meeting underway, let's locate the presentation. During most Google Meet sessions, someone might share a presentation or a screen. This shared content appears as a presentation tile on your screen. Your goal is to find this particular tile, as it's the central focus when a presentation is being given. Once you've identified the presentation tile, move your cursor over to it and you'll notice several options appearing. Among these options is the Unpin function. Simply click on Unpin and voila, the presentation will revert to a smaller tile view. This allows the other meeting participants to come into focus so you can interact with everyone or see their reactions more easily while still keeping an eye on the active presentation. Quick note on why this functionality is so useful. Pinning a presentation essentially makes it the primary focus of your screen, occupying the most viewing space. However, when a presentation is unpinned, it allows you to see it alongside other meeting participants as smaller tiles. This is particularly handy if you're looking to strike a balance between viewing the presentation and monitoring the participants' reactions. Even when a presentation is pinned, you have access to various controls like muting your audio or navigating the slides, simply by clicking on the presentation tile itself. This keeps you in control without sacrificing the immersion in the shared content. And there you have it. By mastering these steps, you'll find it easy to manage your Google Meet screen real estate more effectively, enhancing both your meeting experience and your ability to interact with fellow participants. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on Google Workspace features. Until next time.